I'm Claire from Rose PT.
I'm Paul from District Taco Racing. I've been cycling competitively for about 15 years now. I'm still having so much fun racing, especially with District Taco. I mean, I'd be lying if I didn't say it's the competitive aspect of cycling that really motivates me, and being part of this team in particular. It's just a fun group of guys that are all eager to race hard and together. It's a really good scene here in DC. A lot of strong teams and riders. You wouldn't think that if you weren't from the region, you know, but there's just a very strong cycling culture here.
So this exercise is a stretch, I guess, and it's to address the tightness in the bottom of your foot. You can use something like a lacrosse ball. You could use a tennis ball. You could use a water bottle, something firm and round. And you're just gonna put your foot on that and roll. Yep. You can do this sitting at your desk. Doesn't have to be standing. But you want to really get in there and sort of work the whole bottom of your foot. And then the other thing you can do, real simple, is just come up like this and stretch your toes. Yep. Good. Stretch your other. Yep. So just check, another good mobility check that you can do is just pulling your toes back. So just pull your, and pull them back and see if they feel equal. That combination of the sort of rolling the bottom of your foot rolls not only the muscles in there, but the plantar fascia, which is a thin layer of tissue that sort of holds your foot together. Your foot is a bunch of bones and muscles that would sort of just mush out if it weren't for that plantar fascia. It sort of holds everything taut, but it can get tight. And so this is a great way to stretch it. It gets especially tight when you're wearing stiff cycling shoes, and then you transition to stiff work shoes, and you're not really getting that full motion of your foot like you would get if you were a runner or something, where you're really pushing off on your toes and flexing. So these are a couple of things that I would recommend really for any cyclist to do just as a regular part of maintenance. And if you have a desk job, it's an easy thing to do because you just sit at your desk and roll on a lacrosse ball or tennis ball.